The last time Mercedes-Benz issued a serious update to the E-Class, we named it our car of the year. That's why we're optimistic about the fully redesigned 2024 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. Show-stopping tech is the main theme for this overhaul. Although the E-Class also receives changes to performance and interior space. The E-Class competes with other mid-size luxury sedans, including the BMW 5 Series, Audi A6, and Genesis G80. What's new? Redesigned exterior inspired by Mercedes EQ electric vehicles. More trunk space. New electronic architecture. MBUX Super Screen is available. Optional ambient lighting that coordinates with the beat of the music. New apps available on the center display include TikTok, Angry Birds, WebEx, Zoom, and Vivaldi. Can learn which comfort systems driver uses repeatedly to create automated routines. Certified recycled raw materials used in foam of seats. Increased torque on the 354 Matic. Increased horsepower on the 454 Matic. Selfie and video camera on top of the dashboard. Available with optional MBUX Super Screen. Performance. Mercedes has announced specs for two variants of the 2024 E-Class. In the E354 Matic, a 2.0-litre turbo 4-cylinder engine pairs with an integrated starter generator, making it a mild hybrid. This model produces 255 horsepower and 285 pounds-ft of torque, with an additional 20 horsepower and 148 pounds-ft of torque available in short bursts. We're hopeful that the addition of mild hybrid tech will make this engine more refined in everyday driving. The 454 Matic features a 3.0-litre turbo 6-cylinder mild hybrid setup producing 375 horsepower and 369 pounds-ft of torque, also with 20 horsepower and 148 pounds-ft of boost. We spent a year with a version of this power plant in a last-gen car, and came away very impressed with its acceleration, quiet, and responsiveness. Both models come with a 9-speed automatic transmission and AWD. An optional technology package brings an air suspension system with continuously adjustable damping and rear axle steering, which should increase agility and tighten the turning radius. Safety. Standard safety features on the E-Class include attention assist, active lane keep assist, active brake assist, a parking package with reversing camera, and speed limit assist. Optionally available features include active lane change assist, adaptive cruise control, evasive steering assist, active blind spot assist, and an intersection start-off alert that helps drivers more safely navigate intersections with cross-traffic. Cargo space and interior room. With the help of a longer wheelbase, the 2024 E-Class benefits from more interior space than its predecessor. Trunk space has increased from 13.1 cubic feet to 19 cubic feet on the new model. Mercedes also promises slightly more front headroom and rear legroom. That's good, because the last-gen E-Class had roughly the same amount of space inside as the C-Class. Technology. Technology is a main focus on the 2024 E-Class, in what Mercedes calls a super screen. One large surface of glass houses the central infotainment screen and the front passenger screen. A digital instrument cluster stands on its own in front of the driver. Mercedes tells us the digital instrument cluster is 12.3 inches. The central display is 14.4 inches, and the optional passenger display is 12.3 inches. To curb distracted driving, Mercedes designed the passenger screen so that the driver can't see it when the vehicle is in motion. In the E-Class, screens and the MBUX infotainment system share a new, powerful central onboard computer, a pairing which Mercedes says will improve the performance of the data streams. Drivers can access new apps on the center display, including TikTok, Angry Birds, WebEx, Zoom, and Vivaldi. Additionally, drivers can create their own routines with MBUX to automate comfort functions. Mercedes gives an example of one such command. Switch on the seat heating and set the ambient lighting to warm orange if the interior temperature is below 50 degrees. Another promising feature, with optional active ambient lighting. Lights in the cabin coordinate with the beat of the music. 2024 E-Class AMG. Even though the 2024 E-Class probably won't launch with a performance-minded AMG variant, we're sure it will gain one in the coming years. We're curious, though. Will it be a detuned version of the 831 HP plug-in hybrid setup in the GT6 3SE performance, or a more powerful 4-cylinder plug-in based on what powers the C6 3SE performance? Perhaps a new plug-in system, built around the brand's turbo inline-6. We look forward to whatever the Affolterbach engineers drum up. Pros and cons. Pros: 1. Reputation for build quality. 2. Flashy tech. 3. More trunk space. Cons: 1. Polarizing exterior design. 2. Super screen sure isn't subtle. 3. Maybe pricey. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.